I was doing a presentation workshop the other day and I got a question. What happens if you go blank? Will it destroy your credibility? And I thought, I love this, right? Because I love when people go blank. I love these moments when things go wrong. And is it okay? Is it okay to be human? We've all had this happen at some point. We've all gone blank because we're humans. We're not robots. We forget sometimes where we are. And I don't think moments like this are things we need to be afraid of. This can be something that can work in our favor. In fact, I was just listening to a presentation done by Tim Ferriss on his podcast that he did years ago. And he was in the middle of the presentation and he got into a subject and all of a sudden he forgot where he was and he said, I forget where I was. Where was I? And like 6 or 7 people in the crowd started yelling out and reminding him where he was. And I love this because it was like, wow, all these people listening were super engaged. They knew exactly what he was talking about. And it was also a great way of taking the temperature of like, are these people even listening? And I felt like it only added to his credibility that all these people wanted to get him back on track. So I think this is a very valid question. Where was I? You could even say, just take a moment, take a breath, relax. Be a human being, allow yourself to have a moment. Forgot where I was, breathe and relax. I think sometimes we get so stressed and we think, I need to have it all figured out and I need to be all put together and be an expert. That doesn't absolutely make you more credible. I think being human is a wonderful thing that helps us connect with you and makes you magnetic. So be human.